Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remix a song in Suno AI. First of all, log into your account in Suno AI, and from the left side you just need to go to the second option, which is called create. And once you're inside the create option, you just need to select the song. Let's say like this is basically the editing panel, or you can say the creation panel. So if you have already created a song, that will appear on the right side. As you can see in the workspace, my workspace is empty because I did not create any of the song. So I will select any random song, like let's say this is the song. You just need to click on three dots and click on create. And once you click on create, so just make sure to drag that song into, let me just, yeah, as you can see, this is the option called remix. Just click on remix and you will see reuse prompt, adjust speed, extend, or cover. So for now, let's say I want to make a cover for this song. Just click on cover and that will appear inside your create option. As you can see, mine has appeared, everything like the music, everything, lyrics, the style, and the multiple options are available. So you can select, let's say you want to change lyrics, you can update it from here. And you want to change style, you can add these styles. As you can see, low volume or low hard rock, trumpet, solo, whatever you want to select, make sure to add the style inside this section. And you can also open the advanced sections, which like change your vocals by like male or female, the weirdness, style influence, audio influence. You can just adjust all these settings according to your needs. And once you do that, if you want to like completely change the song, or you want to like take multiple advantages, you must have the pro account for the Suno AI as well, and after that you will be able to do it. Otherwise, for simple, you can just add all the settings and just click on create. And once you click on create, it will appear on the right side inside your my workspace. So that song will be a remix of the original song plus the song or the instructions that you gave it, and the your song as well. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can make a remix in Suno AI.